Hello and welcome back to Bitstress Lab. Today we are starting with episode 3. So I will put this hard disk drive in a fridge. But can it survive? Let's find it out. So first I'm going to put it in a bag, then in a fridge. It will be there for 10-15 minutes. So here we are back, and here is the cold hard disk drive. Let's dry it a bit and then connect it. So I have dried it, and now I will connect it. I think the hard disk drive will survive. What do you think? Write in the comments. Alright, I'm excited. So yeah. Now I will shut the computer down. So thank you for watching and see you at episode 4. You can write in the comments so what I can make in the soon episodes. See you next time.